Small Bird and Golden Crown. Once in a forest there lived a small bird who loved singing. One day a big bird named Beggy heard Chirpy singing. Beggy was jealous and told Chirpy, "Stop singing. You are too small. Your voice is not good." Small bird felt sad but didn't stop singing. She practiced every day and her voice got better day by day. Few days later, a king was passing by the forest. He heard Small Bird's beautiful song and was very impressed. He gave the small bird a beautiful golden crown. Moral: believe in yourself.